guys, it's me Shadow, and today I am playing Bees on Simulator. Cause why the hell not? And my bee is making honey. Look at how much pollen I have. I played this game a little bit to test out whether I should do a video on this. And look at this egg. I got it from the Econ Yolk test. But the annoying thing is, if you're on phone, they don't save your quest progress every time you leave the game, so that's kind of annoying. And I have 1,000. I'm thinking of getting a new egg, and I'm just waiting for the royal jelly to spawn. I have the hasty bee. I use the royal jelly to help me make this guy. I really wish this guy would go faster. Although he is the fast bee, and look at how much honey I have. Shop. No, I just need to place down the bee. Usually it hatches into a basic bee. Yeah, I got basic bee. Okay, so I'm waiting for the royal jelly to spawn. And while I'm doing that, I could also wait for my bee to No, while waiting for the royal jelly to spawn, I want to see what quest I can do. Because I remember they say I can get quests from, I don't know, talking to honey bears or something. Talking to bears. Doesn't look at this. Holy. Oh. Run. Da 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 da. Please. Hop. Where damn brown bear? Yeah, I did. Okay. Oh. Wait, I saw some royal jelly up there. How do I get to it though? No, I legit see some 5,000. Oh, by the way, I just realized oh shoot, that there's actually royal jelly that can spawn at the parkour area. You have to do some parkour, so that's gonna be bad for some people. But that's good for me since I have the the speedy bee that gives you speed. Also, if you die in this, your pollen in your bag won't be given back. So that's the only thing I'm worried about. That they won't give back my honey. No, my pollen, sorry. Thinking about honey bears. Kill the... Oh, shoot, kill that beetle. Jeez. Jeez, can we just get some... Oh. Yeah, I can run faster now. My speed has increased. Don't know how, but oh, yeah, there's the second one. No, the jelly hasn't respawned. Didn't take so long. Thank you, tree. Look, I can run like so fast. Like if another beater comes, I could just run around. Hmm. What's this? Oh. This is probably their HQ or something. No, my power's run out. So much power. Okay, I need 1,000. I need 1,000 for the next. I think you need the jumping thing. Yeah, I actually think you need the jumping thing to get over there. Wait, there's some. Oh, never mind. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. We're back. Nothing to worry about. Oh, give me. Thank you. By the way, I heard that the bees can get tired. Thank you. Oh, my pollen container is full. Dude, where's my bee? Come on, give me a power up. Wait. Oh, that's the rhino beetle spawn. Just wondering, like, what was that? No, I think it's actually possible to steal it from other players. Steal the bee power from the other players. That's funny. My 2 bees are with me and make honey. If I remember correctly, ordinary bee doesn't have anything but a quick bee. Moves, gathers, and production speed. Yeah, his grand speed turns 20 stacks up 10 times. And this actually makes it faster, so I don't need. Having more bees actually makes it faster to get your pollen. So that's actually good. I need 2,500 for the next one. Jeez. Although this pollen is making finish, I think I'm gonna get a new shovel. Yeah. I checked how much it is before I started the video. While I was test running it. And I checked it was about 1,100, I think. Like a honey dispenser over there. Oh my god. No, 1,050. Okay, this one's 6,000. This one's 5,500. Okay, since both of them are more expensive than the egg, I'm targeting the egg next. Which should be about 3 visits. Three visits back and forth. What am I doing? I need to go back to the blue. I should complete this quest very soon, considering that, well, can you please just kill that guy for me? Thanks. Thank you. Shh. Run. Oh no. Holy. What? Man, give me that. Yeah, I should be finished. Like, oh, this side gets 10. Jeez. No wonder this amaze. No wonder this costs like 1,000. I wonder how much just a magnet does. It's like 50. You get 50 pollen. But this does drain one layer of the flower. Which I'm pretty worried since they may not regenerate fast enough for me to eat the pollen. This is a random beta gonna spawn off in 5 minutes. No, in about 4 minutes, sorry. Is the riot enemy hasn't spawned yet. Rare. Oh, it's a rare. So I got the common ones. The rare, the common ones. Oh my god, container is full. Dude, give me the haste thing, please. Please, I want the haste thing. Come on, man, baby. Last one there is a rotten egg. Okay, so this is, I think, is the white one. Oh, I forgot it's copyright. Shoot! Wait, oh, not many people actually know why it's this song. So I'm okay. Oh my god, these bees are like spinning like crazy. Yeah, it's already at 1,386. Wow. It's better to go much slower than that. Oh wait, oh yeah, this gets treatable. Can't believe we actually had to hatch like 5 eggs. Thank you. Every time you receive the power up again, it refills the whole thing. So, bada bing go spam. I'm walking fast now. Oh. Dude, hurry up, make one. Oh, my photon speed's gone. That is just sad. Oh, I think my bumblebee's tired. Makes 50 honey for seconds. Its attack, its speed is 8. People. Oh no, man. Oh wait. Don't mind if I do. I stole someone's power up. Oh my. Oh shoot. The guy's aggressive. I think it's from the raid team, which is which I saw a scythe and it has blood on it. I think. Yeah. That's the thing. Yeah, it's a red scythe. So that actually makes me really worried. Make honey, so I'm just gonna read out some of the bees. Its speed is 17.5. It's oh my god, it's 1 second faster. I just that makes some difference. Its speed is like 17.5. Jeez, its energy is 20. I'm just waiting. I still have around like 1,600 plus. Yeah, I think I should have 1,600 plus. Which is almost enough. Wait, it's 2,500, right? Oh wait, that's better. We can get more quests. Yay. That bad. Okay, first sunflower. Actually, the sunflower. Aren't these sunflowers? Yeah, these are sunflowers. So make it rain. Lol. Might as well just collect some blue in the process. Anyways, I remember there's some white over there, which means I can do it. And I got slightly different honey. Yeah? Oh yeah. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. Barely this guy can tell the difference between honey. Mushroom. Oh yeah. What is dandelion? Where are the dandelion fields? No, he's on dandelion. I remember seeing some wait, shoot, that means so crap, I'm gonna have to run in some trouble, don't I? At least my bees are quite good at killing people. Now that I say this, I feel very worried. Where the hell are the dandelion field? Oh shit. Kill them. How can they reach me from that far away? Wait. Since when? Oh, that's so loud. Oh god. No, I died. Where? I died. Oh, you died. Bomb, you died. Bomb, you died. Bomb, you died. Oh my god. Since where are the dandelions? There's like no dandelions here. Where the frick are the dandelions? No, I'm actually not exaggerating. I couldn't find dandelions. I remember dandelions are yellow. So how come are there like none in this field? Please kill them. I don't know why am I so violent with ladybugs, but they just seem like to kill me, don't they? Okay, I'm gonna stop holding the rake. How do you get there? Where is the dandelions though? Dude. Where are the dandelions? Shoot. Kill them, bees! Kill them! Oh shoot, they're both after us. From the dandelion field. Where is the dandelion field? Cause I don't see dandelions. I'm probably just wait. Oh shit, I died. I didn't hear the warnings and I died. Okay, no, seriously, since when's the dandelion? I have wandered all over this place. I think it's behind the 5. So that is disappointing. So I'm gonna have to farm some blue flowers for now. I should lag. It's like a lot of bees in this area. How am I still dying though? It's like a million bees here. I'm lagging. Oh, I think it's because of my Wi-Fi. Never mind, it's all good. Yes. I think wait. These are the white ones are dandelions, aren't they? And they aren't. Wait. Then how did I get dandelions before? I swear it's like dandelions. Wait, then how did I get 24 dandelions then? When the fudge do you get dandelions? I think that goes typing. It's gonna wait. No one knows. Okay, I guess then. What I guess?
I thought it's not supposed to charge on you.
Oh, my phone.
I need your SIM card back. My iPad cannot use it. Wi-Fi.
When the iPad can I use?
Oh, cannot read Wi-Fi anymore. Use a SIM card.
Ah, fine. Take it.
When you say that,
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause this for a while because I'm gonna go brush while my bees are making honey. So we're gonna be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. Oh, gimme. I'm just gonna randomly. Wait, these are actually dandelions. Oh, okay, so these are actually dandelions. So pollen from the dandelion field, so I can also do two colors at the same time because I didn't know this was a dandelion field. I need to go speak with the bear. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna make honey, and at the same time, I hope I'm lucky enough for this not to hatch to an ordinary egg again. No, to an ordinary bee again. Also, by the way, it's bees don't hatch from oh wait, they do hatch from eggs. I almost forgot my PG basic science. Oh, bees amazing. First, collect 500 points. Oh wait, actually, I could do the blue quest at the same time. See, it's just generic. Plus, my pollen thing is like 750. It's like, how you beat this, man? How you beat this? Holy shoot! Kill 'em, bees! Kill 'em! Kill them all! It's gonna be peacefully farming here. Peacefully farming. Oh, by the way, tree bees should be very helpful, actually. Like, I'm already at 200 already. Oh wait, one the thing is gone. Oh my god, see that like crazy lady over there? Oh. Wait, I'm just gonna do this until my... Ooh, nice 6 honey. I gave me all the honey that it had. Or it just spawned in. I don't know, the royal jelly hasn't spawned in yet. Oh, my pollen container's full. So we're gonna talk to the bear first. By the way, I just realized that it's 4,500. So first, I'm gonna check how everything is, how X's everything is. So that is 4,000. Okay, I gotta keep track of that. Yeah, that's already 5,000. I know the other one's 6,000 something, like that. No, it's not making honey. It's not making. So we're gonna see the bear first. Oh my god, she has a lot of basic bees. Give me a silver egg. Oh, that's right. Oh, come on. Got 500 honey. Yes, the bees rate collects 50. It's blue. 600. With flowers. Okay, wait, the red flower appears over there. Let's find a good spot. Yeah, this is one. Okay, maybe not. Just. Oh, I forgot my pollen potatoes. Kill them bees! Kill them, because if I die, I will lose all my honey. No, all my pollen, sorry. Okay, so I'm guessing this will be faster since it's like since we have more bees and we can't get the egg yet, which is just sad. I thought I said for the next few quests for each quest you get a honey egg, a silver egg. You can either get rare, legendary, or epic. Right now I have a rare one, which is give me speed, which is actually very cool. I can run faster, and once I can come back with the 4 stacked up, and after just grab the royal jelly. That's what I actually did for my first basic bee. I just ran up there because also, by the way, the beetle was chasing me. I did it on the second try. The first try I failed miserably. Then I ran back up there since the ladybug spawn. Oh. This should be enough. I kinda like this game. So, oh, thank you. Wait, does this jar actually produce honey? Oh wait, hold on. I want to read the description at the shop there. I'll read its description. Yeah, it is on 6,000. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to the bear first. So if we get a red bee, we get red pollen more faster. So since I have this quest, I want the blue bees. The blue bees. Alright, now I'm just gonna talk to this guy. Oh, two more quests. Okay, just let me. Ooh, 1,000. Actually, I needed that. Cause I'm also doing the blue thing. That is not mine. I thought it was mine for a second. Okay, I'll get 3,500, and after I come back I think 2 or 1 more times, I can get the egg. Sorry, cough attack. Okay, oh, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to the bear first. So, oh, 1,000. Actually, I needed that. Cause I'm also doing the blue thing. That doesn't not mine. I thought it was mine for a second. Okay, let's go. Dang, these are very good honey makers. One. Okay, here's. Oh, bees, kill him. Kill him. Bees, help. Oh shoot, it's trying to trap me. Kill this guy. Kill this guy. I'm just a random lost person who was asking my bees to kill like a fallen beetle. Give me that. I can run faster now. I won't get to that panda bear. He's cool. Okay, I need to hatch 2 more eggs, then I can go to there, but I imagine it will be more expensive every time. I wish oh, my pony could take this first. Run for the hills, Jack. Run for the hills. Guys, this actually looks like a Jack in the Box. Run in the hills. Run for the hills, Jack. Our plan to frame Vector didn't work. Run for the hills. No, I meant Victor. Our plan to frame Shadow didn't work. Run for the hills. Run for the hills, Jack. Run for the hills. I hope that's not copyrighted though. Oh my god. Oh, my bee's sleeping. No, he's tired. Cool bee. Holy shit, the cool bee. Oh no, my bee's rested up. Oh, I see now. For every 50 pollen, I get 100 cards. 100 honey. Oh. Okay, now I need 6,700. So I think I'm going to get the back neck stuff. They get the rake stuff. They get the egg. I can run like the run for the hills, Jack. Run! Oh my god! I actually found this in the egg hunt. Oh my favorite spot. I'll keep an eye on my bee. On my white bee. On my speedy bee, so I won't see whether it gets me ready. Oh. Oh my. Kill the beta, God's sake. Okay, so I need to climb up here. I'm actually, oh my gosh, that's a good army of bees. That puts my army to bees in shame. And it's okay. Run for the hills, Jack. Oh, I can actually see like, yeah, that's royal jelly. I can see. We should run, Jack. And I go. Look at this. 4 legendary bee types. Ah, finally, I need this. Oh, I forgot. Ninja Jack. So I need to talk to this guy. So I think after this there's one more quest before I can get my egg. My silver egg. I am. Variety of mushroom field, clover field, and flower and the blue flower. I'm gonna lose my palm, but that's okay because we have like so much. Okay, so from each. No, oh guys, I gotta go, so we're gonna end the episode here and we're gonna see you guys next time. Bye.